Hey lads, TechScanning here. So it wouldn't be wrong to say the upcoming Samsung Galaxy A56 is one of the highly awaited devices among the premium mid-ranger. So a few weeks before, we have received some renders of the Galaxy A56 suggesting its near rear design compared to its predecessor, and now we have received some exciting details about the handset. So as per a tipster, Samsung is finally making some of the most awaited upgrades. So compared to the Galaxy A55, which debuted with, we can say, a sluggish 25-watt charging speed, the Galaxy A56 is tipped to get a 45-watt fast charging speed. Now this is in line with the early leaked 3C certification listing from China. So it's not like 100 watt or even more charging speed like we usually see on Chinese smartphones, but to be honest, it's a significant bump for the Galaxy A series users. Moving forward, under the hood, performance-wise, the Galaxy A56 is expected to be powered by the Exynos 1580 chipset, which is set to bring equivalent power to the Snapdragon AAA. So if it goes through, this will be the noticeable performance improvement over the Galaxy A55. Now, as per the tipster, the chipset will be coupled with at least 2 RAM variants and 8 gigs of RAM with 128 gigs of storage, and thankfully 12 gigs of RAM with 256 gigs of storage. For the other specs, there will be 3 camera sensors on the rear, a 50 megapixel main, a 12 megapixel ultra wide, and most likely a 5 megapixel macro sensor. While for the selfies, there is a twist that instead of a 32 megapixel front camera, there will be a 12 megapixel sensor. Now, of course, a resolution downgrade doesn't necessarily mean a quality downgrade, as there are lots of things playing the part. So we hope this change will bring satisfactory results. Luckily, the tipster also shared a possible price, and according to him, the Galaxy A56 could be around £439, which is exactly the same as the Galaxy A55. Anyway, I will keep you updated on this mid-ranger, so be sure to subscribe and hit the bell button. And I will see you in the next video. Until then, take care.